عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. وحيد الله الله ومحمود محمد على النور. I'm stay different country, even 15 years I stay for place to the calling Africa, Tanzania, Nairobi, Zaire. I used to stay the different for country in Africa. I've been for Europe as well. I stay 11 years for London and I be back for my country. ودكي وخصوصا نقضي وبرواقيسناي وانفعناي and I'm okay everything is and I have got a lot of money. I have got a lot of children and peaceful country. Must be back for our country to the making for investment for our land qardho. Be back for your place you come from, place you born, place you grow up, you place you learning for your language and Somali even. You know then parent as well to the living with you. Your brother place living must be back to the making investment in your land. Thank you very much. Good luck. Peace for country. واحد باتاي دلكينا مجران واحد شداه مجران نبض بات الله برواقات الله دلكينا ماذا والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.